Once the medallion was placed and glued, the company waited one day to begin sanding after adding some filler around the medallion. Here a first rough cut is done with a drum sander with 36 grit paper to smooth out any vertical height variances. Moving along, another step involves drum sanding the diagonal area, again with a finer grit paper, while staying clear of the medallion that has been sanded with the edger and 100 grit paper. To completely sand out any leftover edging or drum sander marks, Justin goes over the entire area with a buffer and a 100 grit mesh screen on the last sanding sequence prior to the stain and finish coat applications. Let's check in with Al and see what's next.
We're going to tape off the medallion so that when we stain the medallion, it doesn't go over onto the field or the floor. The medallion is going to get stained a neutral color. The neutral color is just a clear stain that's going to bring out the colors of the wood, the exotic woods. And then we're going to stain the rest of the floor a golden oak color. When we get done staining the rest of the floor, we'll apply 3 coats of a water-based urethane called Street Shoe, and that'll be that.
To keep the neutral stain process contained in the medallion area, Justin tapes around the perimeter, so none of it bleeds or is accidentally wiped on in the diagonal area that will receive the golden oak stain. In the next few steps, the neutral stain is applied evenly, then wiped off, only in the medallion area. Moving on to another day, or once the stain dried properly, a water-based sealer coat is applied. More steps are continued to finally tune the finish on the medallion on still another day. First, a maroon pad is applied that removes any rough surface feel in preparation for additional coats of finish. Al and his team place a heavy emphasis on a clean surface prior to additional applications. Here Justin not only vacuums but tacks the surface twice with a damp rag and cheesecloth. As all required coats are completed for staining the field in the next step, the tape is removed. Considering the medallion area now is very slick, there's no need for taping off the medallion, as any stain that gets into the area is simply wiped off. For more on staining and applying water-based finishes, visit the links directly below this video, where more informative videos are offered.